All right, here we go. So this is going to be, oh, sorry. My golly. Okay. Ah. There we go again. Try not to get fingerprints all over your tape. You want it to always be adhering to something, but not your fingers. If you get oil on the tape from your fingers or dirt, that's a failure waiting to happen. Okay, now this tape, check all your corners, check all your overlaps, press it in, work it in. And there you go. Now, I'm going to turn you. I'm going to show you how to wrap the bottom, okay? Oh, wait, one more thing. Let me finish showing you how to wrap this top boot, okay? Not done wrapping the top boot. So, I need to cut a strip that right to there, right to there. Okay. Come on, damn it. Okay, ow. So that is going to be my top piece of wrap. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to come on the other side so you can see how I do this. Come on the narrow side here. Okay, now bring this around. We want it to overlap in the front of the duct, okay? So we got to secure that side first, and it's overlap. This one will overlap too, see? So let me go secure the back side of that, so it don't move. Now, put the tape on your strip before you put it up there. Then, what you can do, pull it tight, make sure it's square, and stick it. Right? Stick it. Make sure you're tight against the subflooring. You do not want a gap up there. That's going to be bad. That causes rot, condensation. These have to be tight against the subflooring. Okay? Same thing here. Go ahead and get us a piece about 5 inches long. Stick it to the material, closer to the top than the bottom. Okay, and wrap it and stick it. And I'm grabbing the tape to manipulate the reflectix. Okay, so now I've got a little bit of an overlap of a shoulder around the outside here. And if you do this tightly, it'll work good. But I'm not done. I got to seal that shoulder. I'm going to seal it, or the edge here. I'm going to seal that down. And then the shoulder here, just on the side where I can get at it. I just want to get it a little bit on here. Okay, that's too long. And just move slow so you're not hurting yourself. That's the key. Until you get good at something, just go slow. You get real good at it, and you can go faster, right? But just take your time until you get good at it. Nothing worse than seeing somebody trying to rush through a job and they can't do the job properly because they don't have the practice. And they're trying to rush through it. They're trying to be a professional that works fast, and they don't have the experience. And that's about the stupidest thing you can do. Okay, now, so learn how to do it, take your time, and then you can go fast. Now, I'm not done. Remember, I just had that one piece of tape holding this up to secure it. Ah, son of a bitch. Put that up there, and then seal that. Always look at your tape. Keep messing with your tape. You gotta keep reseating this stuff. Okay, so now that's how you wrap the end of your duct. Now I'm not done. I gotta put one more strip on the other side of this boot. Okay. So here we go, one more strip. Okay, same thing, just mirrored image. Okay, so here we go. Come up here. Now, this is thoroughly covered on both sides, but I'm going one more overlap because it's the end. I won't do this in the center ones. You see, because there's insulation on this side from the face of this one coming up, insulation on this side from the face. I've wrapped the back side to get the sides covered, but because this is the end, I'm going to do one more wrap around the front. Okay, so this will be double wrapped, the boot. I'll tuck this in, wrap that there, find my tape. All right. And then we'll go ahead and go back up here, put the tape on the reflectix, stick it to the reflectix, and then come around, make sure I'm pushing up towards the subflooring, wrap this around the back side. And I'm not going to tape the outer part of the shoulder on this because I already did it on the inner one, right? And come around the other side and do the same, right? And then I'll finish this video up showing you how to run the bottom section. So put your tape on before you wrap it because you're going to be in a tight space, okay? And you pull that tight, keep that up against that subflooring, tight, press it in, work that tape up in there. And you know what, just on the sides, I'm going to go ahead and tape the shoulder on the sides only. Just because I don't want a gap that mice and shit can get up in there and start chewing. See, the whole idea also You gotta make this pretty freaking tight. Them little miceies, they're gonna want to chew into this and nest in here. And I'm gonna kill them if I catch them chewing on my job. But don't give them an opportunity to find a hole. So we may as well just throw some tape on here. Nothing fancy, so that the mice can't get on top and try and get up underneath. So yeah, let's just do it. Now that I think about it, let's just do it. Okay. Okay. Every time I hit my head, I think of Quiet Riot, Bang Your Head. Okay. Woo. One more, baby. Okay, little Mises, you ain't gonna easily get into there. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to finish up here. Let's turn the video. You're going to see how I finish up. Now watch. Here we go. So every joist, strap the bottom. Okay? So for every joist spacing, you're going to put some tape completely across. Okay? Go from one side of the reflectix to the other. Okay? It's real important you do a good job. This is, oh, by the way, this costs about $3 a linear foot. So, if you're going to spend money to do this way, do a good job. Now, every now and then you're going to get the reflectix want to bubble up on the side. Put a short piece of tape and pull it down. No big deal, but every joist spacing, you go from side to side, complete piece of tape. From the side of reflectix to about 4 inches up on the side of the reflectix, okay? So here we go. Make it tight so you don't have wrinkles and everything. Now, I'm going to run the bottom. And here we go. Run out your roll. All the way. shit. I'm gonna be short, like 2 feet. Ah, that's okay. So now, we're gonna put 6-inch piece of tape on the end of this reflectix so I can temporarily hold it to the duct while I'm working it out, okay? Let me show you. So remember, you want it centered. Very important to center it. Okay, now we come back down and we're going to tape up the small pieces of tape. Because you're taping reflectix to reflectix, you don't need to go completely across, right? About 6 inches of tape to hold this up, okay? Let me start down here, I'll be back in a minute. You preferably do one side at a time. If you're tight, you'll be okay in doing this. Pull it up. Remember, you're trying to keep this square. Always be thinking it's got to be square. Okay? Watch your lines. There's lines in the bubble wrap. You'll see them. Keep them square. If you're using fiber wrap, you look at the lines in the fiber. Okay? Don't pull it too much. It'll be crooked on the other side. You don't want a snake. You want an arrow. Okay, remember that. So we're going to keep going here. We're going to keep this square. We're going to keep our lines level and square. So we go like this. Not too much. Even with the top. This is nice because this double insulates the sides because there's 2 layers on the side, which is kind of nice. Now you could trim it down, it could be different, but oh, I lost it. My piece fell off. That's okay. I'm close enough. I'm close enough. So we can come back down here. See what I'm talking about? Tape does not like to stick to the ductwork. Don't like sticking. You don't trust this tape sticking to the ductwork by itself. Just tell it. You ain't gonna like to do it. Now, no, don't you dare do that. Look here, you cabron. Here we go again. That should be good. And square. There. Let's do the other side just because Murphy's Law says if I don't, I'm going to wish I did. See? You pendejo. Okay. There we go. So, let's keep going here. And then I'm not going to do the whole vent here. I'm going to just do this side. Just getting to be a long video. But you get the idea, okay? And I'm almost done. See, I'm going to have a crease there. If I don't sort that out because of the way I taped this before I did that. Okay, see, this is sagging here, so I got to resolve that. Pull it up tight. See now my tape, see there's going to be a crease there. And that's why you want to work your way down with just a piece holding it up if you can. Now, if I want to fix this, I take my razor, because you're not going to remove this tape easily. What you're going to do, you're going to cut the tape and pull it. See, I was off by about 1 inch. I couldn't have got that without tearing the material, so just the way it is. Go on the end. Retape it. Now, the way this goes, you got to tape the top seam. We need to make sure that the tape seams don't land on other vertical pieces of tape, if you can avoid it. Come back in, tape to the reflectix first, and then roll the tape over the top, and then smooth it out. Now I've got an airtight seam there, and you don't want to do too much, and you don't want to take the roll and try and do that crap with a roll in your hand. It's going to come out stupid and all wrinkled and uneven. Do about 18-inch sections. Come up here, do this. Okay, tape to the material first on the outer face. Roll it like I'm doing now. Roll it and smooth it out. Okay. All these tape seams on the vertical or the horizontal are going to get mastic. Not the vertical ones unless they're on a seam. So these ones I did vertical were just temporary holders to hold the material in place. This is what's sealing the material to the material. And that's what's important. Okay. You gotta make sure you keep this reflectix clean too. Don't be rolling it around in the dirt and all that crap. And then try and put it up and get tape to stick to it unless you wipe it down. It ain't gonna stick. You gotta keep it pretty clean. So anyway, I'm gonna go one more strip here and cut you guys loose. You get the idea. But this is the best way that I found to do this. And all you people that are going to thumbs down me, kiss my ass, because I don't see you under a house putting up your own video. I never understand that. You got somebody that tries to help people out, give them a little advice, and then you get people do this shit. All you people doing this shit, this one's for you. Because you ain't helping nobody out. You sit in your chairs, don't mind the rant. It just gets to me. You sit in your chairs and you jerk off all day, watching videos, doing this. This one's for you. The rest of you people, love you. All you thumbs up people, all you people with constructive criticism, and all you people that are making your own videos to try and help somebody out, good job, man. Appreciate you. All right, there you have it. Got them all done. All the joint seams will get mastic across them. Okay, and that's to protect the tape and to seal the tape to the reflectix. And that should do it. So I've created a moisture barrier on here. Right, and I got a little bit of an R value out of it while I'm at it. So this last little piece here I'll have to splice in a little 30-inch strip, right? You can take a look here how this goes. See, and try not to get too many creases and crap in your tape, but main thing is you need that tape to seal up against this right here. Now the mastic, when I put it on, that's going to seal any little tiny divots. See, there's one there. It'll help seal that up, protect the tape, and that should last a long time. So hopefully somebody gets something out of this. And there you have it. Oh, if you're going to be insulating ducts that are too close to the subflooring, you know, you can't get any insulation around them, or they're too close to a joist, you can't get this reflectix in, use the Frost King foil and foam insulation. It's got self-adhesive sticky back to it on the foam side, and you can get it in there in those tight spaces. Okay, so remember, Frost King foil and foam, use that in the tight spaces where you can't fit this 1/4 inch or thicker reflectix. Okay, all right, I gotta get back to work. Hopefully somebody gets some entertainment out of this, or this helps somebody out. Over and out. Have a good night.